Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add columns to your Mailchimp template. So let's begin. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Mailchimp account. Now, if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create an account. And once you have done that, log in using your credentials. And we need to hover down to create your campaign. Now, from here, you can go to your template. If you have already created the template in the past, basically we have a lot of videos regarding to Mailchimp, so you might want to check on our channel. Now click on template if you haven't done so. Say for example, click on the get started and you will be directed to a new page wherein you can go to your save templates right here. And as I've mentioned, these are the related videos on our series of Mailchimp tutorials that you can check in our channel. Please do so. How to add video to Mailchimp template, how to add PDF, how to use Mailchimp to Canva, and how to send a Canva newsletter. Say, for example, this is the one that we're going to add columns. Click on that. Now, in just a short while from here, if you have the option to add your text, say for example, add a heading or add a paragraph, something like that one. Now, you would be able to check the settings because on that part you would be able to add a column depending on the numbers that you wanted from here, even the spacing and the sides that you wanted to add the columns to your Mailchimp template. And once you have done that, all you're gonna do is save and exit. That's on creating the template that you have already saved. If by any chance you are lost during the whole navigation process, I suggest you can always go here in the help section of the Mailchimp on adding text content blocks to your layout, even your column, right? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.